Happy morning to all. Today I want to discuss on a few things about what are the defects while we are making the sand casting process. So that we are discussing, that is defects of sand casting. A casting defect is an irregularity in the metal casting process that is an undecided one. It can also be defined as the conditions in a casting that must be corrected or removed, or the casting must be a rejected one. It may sometimes to be tolerated, sometimes to be eliminated with the proper molding practices, or repeatedly using the methods such as welding or metallizations like that. Casting is due to various causes, although it is quite difficult to establish in a relationship between the defects and causes. Casting defects are regularly broke down into the five major categories that we say is namely like gas defects, molding material defects, and puring metal defects, and metallurgical defects. So these are all the major criteria to fall in the defects cases. Such as what are the defects name in the sense blowholes, scare, then porosity and drop, drift, breckel, scrap, then cloud shot, hot tear, shrinkage of cavity, or mold shift, then core shift. Likewise, it can be repeatedly defects to be happened. So first one, we discuss on mismatching. For example, the hollow partial half of the hollow and the remaining partial that can be misaligned like this, not exactly like this, it can be misaligned. That's why the defects name is called as an mismatches. Why when it will occur means the casting that does not match the parting line, exactly the parting center line, this line or this, that is called as mismatch or a mold shift. So what are the causes to be held within a mismatch? Worn out or bending the clamp pins, or misalignments of two having the pattern holes, improper location and support of core. So these are all the causes. What are the remedies to be take care of the mismatch? Increase the strength of mold and core, proper alignment of two halves of the pattern, proper clamping of mold boxes. So these are all the remedy cases while we are making the defects of mismatching. Next we want to discuss on shrinkage cavity. The shrinkage cavity is surfaceness. The shrinkage always happen in the surfaces. Shrinkage cavity is avoided on the surfaces of the casting, caused mainly due to the uncontrolled solidification of metal. That is called as shrinkage cavity. The shrinkage cavity may be classified in two different phases. One is the external shrinkage, another one is internal shrinkages. External shrinkages, we can able to see the surfaces, it can be like curved like that. So we can easily predict that one, that is called as, comes under the category of external shrinkage. External shrinkages. Internal shrinkage in the sense of material inside. So what are the cases to be followed to make this now? Inadequate and improper gating or gateway systems, too much high puring temperature or improper chilling. So these causes may be taken for making the shrinkages. What kind of remedies we are taking in the sense of ensure that proper directional solidifications by the moldifying, gating, rising and chilling of the system. So the three things should be followed for the shrinkage cavities. Next one, blowholes. Blowholes always happen during the surfaces like our pimples. Blowholes shaped cavity caused by releasing the mold gases during the puring of metal. It is called as blowholes. What are all the causes in the sense? Remaining is too hot, core are not sufficiently packed, excessive moisture content is there, low sand permeability, then presence of gas producing the ingredients. So these are all the cases of generating the blowholes. What kind of remedy we are taking in the sense packing of core properly, controlling the moisture content in molding stands, use of rest-free chills and chiplet inserts, reaming the mold laser harder. So these are all the remedy for that one. Thank you for watching my video. See you on the next video. Bye. Happy day.